Global FX Radio YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. What a day, another one. What a day, what a roller coaster day. Holy crap. Can you say volatility with a capital freaking V? My goodness. The Swiss franc, the Aussie dollar. Pound Aussie, again, 2,500 pip range. This is just unbelievable stuff we're going through. Sterling yen, down almost 700 pips right now. It was down almost 900. Euro yen made a big comeback. Euro sterling, what a monster move in euro sterling. As obviously those of you who are on another planet, the central banks of 7 nations cut rates today. Surprising. Some in the marketplace. Not really surprising. Yours truly. We basically said they needed to do it. The problem is they keep doing these things late. They need to do things ahead of the market's perception. That's why tomorrow they have to do something else. If they want to have an impact, they must. The central bank's got to do something. Maybe London's got to cut rates again. Maybe another facility that's new that no one even heard of. Something. Everyone expects what they've done so far. So the head of the central banks have to ratchet their heads together and figure something out, because the stock market, while it was down on the open, it looked like it was going to get wiped out, came back, we looked like we had the reversal, then we went right back down again. And then we came back up. And then we went back down at the end of the day. And so did the carry trade. Aussie dollar moving in 100 pip clips. Look at some of these 5-minute bars in the Aussie dollar today. Incredible. I cannot believe the Aussie dollar just 2.5 months ago was 98. Incredible. May you live in interesting times, but I'll tell you what, people, it's not over. It's not over, and I know the white screen, by the way, and it'll be back to the other one tomorrow. I just have to, something's wrong with my IntelliCharts account. I don't know what the hell. They suck customer service over there. Anyway, it's not over. The stock market should be down tomorrow. Equities were down 200 on the 190, 189. Equities are down 189. It's not over. The futures should be down again tomorrow. Australian unemployment tonight, I think maybe the Aussie bottoms on that, but it might be down 300 pips before that happens. I look for the Aussie number to be an abomination, so trade accordingly. But I do think maybe by the U.S. session, maybe the stock market gaps lower, and then we rip. The stock market has chances to be down 1,000 points tomorrow in the open. I think people are ready to throw in the towel. Gold up huge, panic. Swiss franc up huge, panic. And the Swiss and the yen up huge also. Ugh. It's been a long night. I've been up since 2:30. So look at this euro dollar on the hourly chart. It did break this downtrend channel line, as we see here. Oh, damn it. Oh, this is going to be... Shoot. Come on. So we did break this downtrend channel line you see here. And the euro's looking all right. We got an uptrend channel line here that we're right at. Should this euro dollar break through that uptrend channel line right here at 136.50, say bye-bye. But looking at a daily chart, the euro dollar doesn't look all that bad. It's now held up 2 days in a row. And maybe it's going to bounce up to 139 in reverse. But the euro dollar, the euro across the board today, was the relative strength winner. And I think part of the reason why it was so strong today is because the market now finally feels, all right, Europe's on board. We're going to be okay. Dollar yen, unbelievable move in dollar yen. A shame. I predicted this to happen at the end of the year, not now. But dollar yen, and it is triple roll tonight, people. Remember, we get long the yen, and the trend is our friend, and the stock market's down. Triple roll should work awesome tonight. Don't get faked out. Dollar yen, daily chart, it could rally up to par 20 again and still be a short. Dollar yen looks terrible. Looks like 98.50 a given. And maybe even 96 dollar yen on a panic. Sterling dollar looks like death. Sterling dollar closing on a daily chart looks so bad. Flagging on the hourly chart, take a look there. It's 4:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time right now. October the 8th, 2008. And this is the worst close sterling dollar's had in quite some time. And now we had double top. Look at that tweezer top. Closing horrible. Cable looks like it can go to 71 easy. If euro sterling, we're going to look at that chart right now. If euro sterling And I think that the market's really looking at this rate cut as everyone expected. It's almost like everyone, this is what I think happened. Everyone expected London to cut. Everyone expected the U.S. to cut. And even Canada maybe. Everyone figured Trichet would not give in. And I think that's why you got this massive move in Euro Sterling today. Because now maybe he gets it. Maybe he gets it. So I think we're going to get this channel line set up on Euro Sterling. I think we're going to get this channel line set up in Euro Sterling right around that 80 level. Come on. I'm sorry, it's a little higher. It's a little higher. 79.60. So that's a major channel line. Should we get through there, we go for 80. So this Euro Sterling, I think, is probably going to rally up to the 79.60. And that's, 60 pips from now. Who knows what cable will do tonight in Asia. So Euro Sterling looks like it might want to go higher. I'm still a bear on Europe. I think Europe sucks. I'm still a bear on Euro Sterling. But I think it goes higher first, and then we look to short it later. Looking at Euro Yen, which showed some very nice signs of strength today. The Euro Yen certainly was the relative strength winner, but guess what? It still made new lows. It made new lows. That means it's one thing, it's going lower. It's closing at its worst level in years. So Euro Yen still looks horrible. Make no mince words about it. So this Euro Yen, maybe we get a chance to short at 137, I don't know. But Euro Yen 136.80 is a great spot to get short. But Euro Yen to me looks like it's going lower. I think that you measure the bounce from 134 to 141. And if we really crash again tomorrow, you could be talking 130 easy. 130 easy. Sterling Yen, another one. Bye-bye. Hopefully you listened to me, my YouTube yesterday. Under 175, and it's freaking over. This sucker is done. Now, listen, I think we reverse tomorrow. But I got to tell you, look at where it's going out. Horrible. At the lows. You might bounce a little bit, but this looks like death. So, and I think, again, what might happen is we might get a meltdown into this Australian unemployment report and then maybe reverse. This unemployment report, I think, is going to be big, a catalyst, a big catalyst. Let's look at this Aussie Yen. And let's look at the hourly chart. Just so we get an idea for this Sterling Yen, how bad it looks. And Euro Yen, just an opportunity. Look at this, horrible. Hourly chart rolling over. I mean, we might go to 169. Interesting number there. Euro Yen hourly chart. Let's take a look at that. Another one rolling over. Now, I hate this, that it's going into triple roll on Wednesday. You remember when they paid triple interest? And they're not even paying triple interest. I mean, it's crazy with the spreads and the rolls, what they're doing in foreign exchange. It's nuts. But this Euro Yen under this 135.70, say bye-bye. I mean, this had a 400 pip rally at 5 in the morning, 6 in the morning. Incredible. The volatility, incredible. So I think we go lower. I think we roll over. And then maybe we bottom out. Maybe even this 33 level. But man, with the stock market basically down 200, and they managed to hold some of these carry trades up, except Aussie Yen, obviously. Aussie Yen, Kiwi Yen, all down huge. I mean, look at this Aussie Yen. Aussie Yen looks like it's just busting. It's going to go back down to the lows. Daily chart, Aussie Yen. I mean, look at that. That's no bottom. That's no hammer. That says continuation. I know you got to say to yourself, well, it was just 80. How can I short it here? 3 days ago, this thing was 80. It's now 65. I know. But it's no bottom. And I think maybe we make a double bottom. I think this would make an awesome tweezer low. That would be great, a tweezer low. Other than that, I can't imagine that these things are done. And the stock market, I imagine, is going to be lower tomorrow morning in the open. And if it's not, if the stock market is up, then everything's a short. Then we're going to absolutely come in again. But again, with the shorts able to short bank stocks tomorrow, remember, they took the ban off. I think the market players in the know are going to get the stock market down big in the open, let the shorts short it, and then squeeze the shorts for a massive rally. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio YouTube, the only voice you'll ever need in Forex that makes you money. If you want about premium, info at globalfxradio.com.